If you want to add a QR code to your Mailchimp email, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a QR code, download it, and insert it into a Mailchimp campaign step by step. This is a great way to send people to a website, landing page, sign-up form, product page, or special offer with just one scan. It's simple, fast, and perfect for email marketing. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. First, open your browser and go to QR Code.io. This is the tool we're using to generate the QR code. Once the page loads, you'll see the QR code generator. Now paste the URL you want people to open when they scan the code. This could be your website, a YouTube link, a booking page, or any other link you want to promote. After you paste the link, the QR code will generate automatically. Take a moment to make sure the link is correct, because once people scan it, you want them to land on the right page immediately. If everything looks good, click the download option and save the QR code image to your computer. Make sure you remember where you save it, because you'll need to upload it into Mailchimp in the next step. Now go to Mailchimp and sign in to your account. From the main dashboard, click on Campaigns. This is where you'll find the email campaign you want to edit. Once you see the campaign list, click Edit next to the email where you want to add the QR code. This opens the campaign editor so you can make changes to the design. Inside the editor, click Edit Design. This takes you into the email layout where you can add images, text, buttons, and other content blocks. To insert your QR code, look for an image block and drag it into the email where you want the QR code to appear. Usually, placing it near a call to action works best, so readers know exactly what to do after scanning it. After placing the image block, click Add. Then choose Upload so you can upload the QR code image you just downloaded from QR Code.io. Select the QR code file from your computer and let Mailchimp upload it into the email. Once it appears, click to select the QR code image. Now resize and adjust it so it looks clean inside the email. You want the QR code to be large enough for people to scan easily, but not so large that it takes over the whole design. Make sure it fits nicely with the rest of your content and doesn't break the layout on mobile or desktop. If needed, move it slightly and align it with the surrounding text or graphics. Before you finish, preview the email to make sure the QR code displays properly. This is important because you want the image to look sharp and be easy to scan once the email is delivered. If everything looks good, click Save and Exit to keep your changes. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert a QR code in Mailchimp from start to finish. You created the QR code, downloaded it, added it into your email, and adjusted the design so it's ready to send. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.